People aren't born Olympic or Paralympic athletes. They are developed by their communities, people and clubs they meet along the way. Inspired by their role models. Shaped by their experiences. And supported by the friendships they make. In Wales, we don't just want to create champions. We want to champion people. Win, lose or draw, Wales is behind you. This summer we're wishing all of our Welsh athletes the best of luck at the Paris 2024 Games as they chase their dreams. We'd like to say thanks to everyone who has played a part in supporting them to get there. Pob lwc I bawb.